Good morning, homeboys and homegirls. Look at me. Say good morning. So anyways, good morning. Today is Sunday, May the what? May the what?
17th.
Sunday, May the 17th. And guess what? We are back at it again with another video. That's not our thing. I keep doing it, and that's not ours. Anyways, so today I just want to wash my hair so you guys can come along with it, because my hair is literally like, when I say a mess, it's a mess. Like,
Stop.
it's matted, it's just bad off. So I'm gonna wash my hair, and then we're gonna wash my car, and then we're gonna vacuum my car out, because that's like my favorite thing to do is wash my freaking car. Because now, guess what? The car wash is open, and Friday in Maryland, like, they opened up a lot of stuff, and the car washes was one of the things. So so what I'm saying, yeah, so the car wash was one of the things that opened up, and I want to use it. I'm sure you didn't take the dirt diaper out of the room.
No, I did. I put it in the kitchen.
Ow. So anyways, y'all, is your states open? And if it's open, and like what's open? So here in Maryland, we have like the restaurants for to-go orders and the car washes and push. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This baby is crazy. This is a crazy. Ah! Whatever. I sound a little congested because guess what? I just woke up. So let's just get up and do what we gotta do. I do want to wash some clothes because I need to. Hey guys, so I know I did not come back after I washed my hair. So I washed my hair. I wanted to do like a recording of my hair, but somebody would not record me washing my hair.
I said you need to get a tripod then. I've been up with Amir since 4 o'clock, girl. I did not feel like recording it.
Yeah, I wasn't mad. I'm not mad, man, y'all.
But don't blame it on me.
But that's why y'all didn't get the footage.
But
so
it's washed. Let's check out the curls.
Baby thinking we can't talk at the same time.
Alright. What are you talking about, man?
You talk over top of me all the time. Like, we both can't talk.
I apologize.
Then they can't hear.
That's how we do, though.
We don't listen to each other.
We don't. We like talking over each other. That's why we annoying. People never understand.
So, this is my hair, and I'm feeling like a man in a jerry curl because I missed my bun, but... and then my hair is so thin. Like, maybe I need to, like, fluff it.
Beautiful, baby.
I don't know. It needs to, like... I need to give something, because right now it's giving me...
What?
Jerry curl.
I mean, trust me, it'll... Well, it's pretty much... It's almost dry. It'll poof up, and then you'll have a... Okay.
All right, anyway, so we at Popeyes, and we buy the trash can, and it's all these birds eating all this Popeyes, and it's making me not want it.
What if
like,
it's
I'm about to be
Popeyes?
sick.
What if it's something in that trash can?
No, it's literally Popeyes. I see bones and all.
Oh,
I'm ready to throw up.
Oh my God, they just having a field day.
No, I don't even want to re-edit that, because if you put them birds up, I cannot watch it.
They do look nasty.
It's making me not want to eat here.
And I didn't even notice it until you just said something. Now I can't stop watching it.
Girl, I'm about to go to Baltimore and get me some yak meat.
Ooh, babe, you don't even eat yak meat.
Yo, I keep
Why
seeing
are you
it.
stunting?
I'm getting some yak meat today.
You don't even like it.
You want an extra dirty?
I've had it before.
You want an extra dirty, babe?
Who you been around lately? Talking about extra dirty. She is acting out of character.
This quarantine. If y'all don't know what quarantine is.
You always in quarantine. Let you tell it.
I'm always in quarantine. So anyways,
It's so annoying.
yeah, I want to know if she wanted dirty double egg. No?
No, because it's not even all that.
Want to go get a chicken box or a cheesesteak? I want something
But
good.
you don't want the Popeyes?
Not if you're seeing them birds eat.
Well, you better make a decision before you get trapped in.
All right, where you want to eat?
The car's pulling up. All right, come on, let's go.
Where we going?
Baltimore. All right.
Where we going in Baltimore, babe?
I don't know, babe. You talking about cheesesteaks, yak meat?
Yeah.
You know, we gotta go to the city for that.
I just feel like I need extra dirty food.
Man, she want to keep saying extra dirty. You don't even know that legal, girl. You're just is your Urka Tansy. We need a mother freaking thingy. I should have grabbed it. It's in the closet. What's it called to keep it up?
And I don't go to this liquor store right here no more. It's stink.
It stink, and they raised the prices.
You want to go Ann's?
What Ann's? Alright, you think Ann's gonna be good?
Yeah. Unless you know somebody else, because the other place you talking about, they was cold last time.
Yeah, Ann's was too. We was so mad at Ann's. We was like, what, they got a new owner or something? Alright, we can try Ann's again. We ain't been in a while. Go to the trash room.
They do.
Right.
So give me a Sprite, because I'm trying to keep it light. And then I want a cheesesteak, but I want mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard, extra cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, and hot.
Little hot, so big hot.
Big hot.
Alright, y'all, so we made it to Ann's, but we're gonna be stuck in the line. Social distancing. We're outside. Social distancing. So I don't know how long we finna be in this line, but I know I'm hungry. Starving. Who's is ready to eat, yeah? Alright, so we see y'all when we get our food. Alright, y'all, we got our food, so we just got went here and decided with the cheesesteak. Got some fries. I got a milkshake, vanilla, and then a Sprite. So we holla at y'all when we done eating. About to smash. Like I said, the food was good, but Lord knows I ain't drink that daggone vanilla milkshake. What, babe?
They took all of these. We came in here a couple days ago. All of this was filled. What do you call it?
Inner tube.
Yeah.
What you gonna do with an inner tube?
I don't know. Look at these big tails.
Oh, that's cute. That looks like a bath towel.
Yeah.
Then they ate that rack up.
Even they head. Target.
Come through, Target.
Where the super size.
Probably the big boxes, the $40 ones. In the Target board, no, not in the Target board.
Well, only in the small box, and I hate buying the small box.
That's gonna run out like in 2 days.
What is the super size? That's so annoying.
I believe the big ones, babe. The $40 ones.
Right. Super size.
What else could that mean?
Right.
Oh my God.
Pampers enormous tag.
Stomach.
Enormous. So I guess only the Why do I got this on? Alright, hey y'all. So we are at the car wash. I came to this car wash because I didn't want to vacuum my car out by myself. And guess what? Even though the car washes are open now, they cannot get in your car, they cannot do anything inside of the car, they cannot do the inside of your windows, they cannot vacuum your car out. So why am I here?
I had to go somewhere. I told you back it up. I said back it on up.
Yeah.
And we will go and clean it ourselves then. If we gotta still vacuum it.
Yeah.
So we still gotta vacuum it after this car wash.
Yes. After I paid all that money. So I'm thinking, I wanted to get my car detailed, so I know they closed. Cause like the car wash can't even get in your car.
But the thing is, they can come too.
Look at this floor. Like I'm embarrassed just to show anybody how it looks. We just got done vacuuming,
Yes,
as you guys can see. And this just sanitizer. I got this out of Target. But anyway, you can use any kind of hand sanitizer, but this all it has. So.
Yes.
But I don't know what's running.
Stay running.
Yo, I feel so much better. I wish I could show y'all the back floor.
Let me put some on your side.
On my shoes.
Not the icy. All right, y'all. So we're home. We're about to chill. I'm about to edit this vlog so I can put it out there for you today, guys. So we will see you guys in the next vlog.
See ya.
Toodles.
Mmm.
So extra.